Hi everyone, this is pediatrician Dr. Pasnuti Sumant. This video is regarding developmental stimulation for infants and children. These are the tasks to be done by the parents for helping their children achieve the milestones at appropriate age. Now we'll see from birth to 3 months of age. Initial days, carry the baby with head and body fully supported. Put a bright colored mobile toy above the bed, enabling the baby to find it easily. These toys visually stimulate baby. Put the baby in different places at different times and change the position of the baby frequently, like on the back and tummy, etc. Encourage the baby to hear sounds, look at faces and objects. Use musical rattles, colored balls, etc. Talk and sing to the baby quite often. Usually our grandparents are very good at this. Now we'll see from 3 months to 6 months of age. Put the baby on the ground and put toys around. Allow the baby to move freely. Carry the baby straight with head supported, and when sufficient head control is there, carry straight with head unsupported. Put the baby on the tummy and using a rattle moved up and down, encourage the baby to practice lifting the head and shoulders. Help and encourage the baby to roll over, showing a toy from the either side. Rub a toy across the palm of the baby and encourage to grasp, and then encourage to squeeze a toy that makes noise when squeezed. Now we'll see from 6 to 9 months of age. Make the baby sit up and reach out for toys and grasp them. Allow the baby to enjoy the mirror and vocalize. Call the baby by name. Make the baby stand up on mother's knees and allow to bounce gently up and down and to support own weight. Encourage the baby to transfer the first toy to the opposite hand instead of dropping it, and then give the second toy and allow to play with both the toys. Now we'll see from 9 to 12 months of age. Encourage the baby to crawl by moving a pull toy in front. Now, since the baby has some understanding and responds to simple instructions, name and teach body parts, pictures, toys, animals, etc. Give containers to fill and empty. Allow to poke with fingers into a toy with holes and encourage pincer grasp. Make the baby imitate waving bye-bye, shaking head, clapping hands, uncovering hidden toys, etc. Stimulate the baby to pull to standing by keeping a favorite toy on the cart, and allow the baby to cruise by moving the toy along the cart. Now we'll see from 12 to 24 months of age. Encourage self-walking, walking up steps, running, etc. Pile up blocks and make the baby playfully knock them down and help to rebuild again. Teach parts of the body, common objects, animals, birds, numbers, etc. and also activities of daily living like bathing, dressing, brushing, etc. Give a crayon and a book and allow them to scribble and also to turn pages. Allow the baby to kick and throw the ball. He can now tolerate some instructions without losing interest. In the 4th year, child is able to control his own attention. He seeks help and enjoys taking turns with other children. In the 5th year, the child can be taught in a group as in a classroom. Noisy distraction should be avoided. So, these are the few important tasks to be done by the parents for their children's normal development. And thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.